Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In Minecraft Java 1.21, for night vision removes darkness and brightens game visuals. This effect makes caves and nights look clear and safe. You can obtain night vision with a brood potion or with a server command. Brood potions use a golden carrot as the key ingredient. Commands let you apply effects instantly for any desired duration. Use night vision to explore, build, and fight without torches. Remember, the game still preserves mob spawning rules and enemy vision. Start at a brewing stand with blaze powder fueling the process. Place a water bottle and add nether wart to make an awkward potion. Add a golden carrot to convert it to a night vision potion lasting 300. If you want longer vision, add redstone dust to extend duration to 800. Collect the finished bottle and store it in your inventory for exploration. Drink the potion to gain the night vision effect immediately. Keep spare golden carrots and redstone in your chest for repeat brewing. If you have cheats or admin access, use a command to apply night vision instantly. Type /effect give it s Minecraft, night vision 480 for 8 minutes of night vision. Replace 480 with any number of seconds you prefer for custom durations. Remember, night vision brightens scenes but does not stop hostile mobs spawning at night. Use torches or light sources to prevent spawns while exploring. For underwater work, a conduit gives conduit power and better visibility, but it is not a full replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.